Hello everyone, welcome to Unleash Maths. Today we are going to discuss about decimal numbers. You must have seen a point while looking at the price tag, right? And they record breaking timings of the printers as well, while measuring a distance from one location to other in Google Maps, and while temperatures and so many things. So what does that particular point mean? Well, the point that indicates the number is a decimal number. But what's the point of the point? We will discuss all these points in today's video. To understand decimal numbers, let's remind ourselves of some of the simple integers that we have known in the past, right? 259, 100, 0, of course, a very huge number like 695, 236, etc. What do you infer from these numbers? Well, these numbers are complete numbers or whole numbers. We can denote these numbers while counting complete things. For example, 6 apples, 10 strawberries. But what if apple and strawberries are cut into pieces? How can we represent half apple? Half of the half of strawberry or something like that. So we can have something in between, right? That is 1 apple and 1.5 apple, 2 apples, something like that. So numbers between two consecutive whole numbers. Here comes the concept of point in the decimal number. So in the decimal number, value of the digits of any number depends upon where they are placed. So in this particular case, 259, the number is somehow 9 ones, 5 tens and 200, right? Each having its own place value. So let's assume this as a rectangle as one whole object, right? So now if you divide it into 10 equal size small rectangles, now you have 10 parts of 1. That is 1 by 10th representation, right? Now if you divide each of those into 10 smaller rectangles, you'll get 10 smaller rectangles of those 10, right? That is 100 parts of 1. That is 1 by 100. See? Now if you divide each of these 10 into smaller rectangles, you will get 10 times of 100 or 1000. All these fraction lengths, that is 1 by 10, 100, 1000, are called decimal units. So writing down these decimal numbers is pretty easy. Right? In our number system, I can count numbers from 0 to 9 in its unit place. Right? As we go to the left side from the right, the place value becomes 10x larger and we get a bigger number. Since decimal units are smaller than 1, we actually move from right to left. Now we can see the numbers can go either to the left or the right, represent a different place value. But now, how can we decide which is which place value? So before decimal, we knew that the rightmost place is the 1. But now there is no rightmost place, as we can go to both directions. So we need a point of reference, the point where we always start from. For this, we use a special point called as decimal point. Basically, decimal point acts as a separator between number places that are used to count whole values, which are on the left side of the decimal, and the number places that are used to represent fractional values less than 1 on the right side of the decimal point. So now, place value of one part of 10 or 10th is represented by 0.1. That is one part of 100 is represented by 0.01 and so on. Just like the whole number places, we can go on forever to the left to represent the larger numbers. We can go forever to the right to represent the smaller number, that is less than 1. We can add, subtract any two decimal numbers just like we do for the whole number. Just align the decimal point in one line and do the operations. It's simple dealing with the numbers less than 1. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, comment and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.